You want to send multiple missed calls by one click to any number? You just want to prank your friends? At the end of this video, you know how to do exactly that. But please don't misuse this app. I'll be showing you how you can do that in a jiffy. If you are a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you are new here, you are welcome. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let's get started. Let's head to the Play Store now to download an app. For this purpose, we'll be downloading Auto Redial. With Auto Redial, you can send as many missed calls to any number as you want. This is Auto Redial. Select this and install. Give the necessary permissions and click off. Click open. So this is the app. Here you input the telephone number you want to send these missed calls to. The telephone number you want to send the missed calls to. Next is the number of calls you want to send. You can use this to select the number of calls you want to send. You can use this to reduce it, or you can simply use this to increase the number. If you want to send 700 missed calls, if you want to send any number of missed calls, you can do it here. Here you select the interval between calls. Is it just a second? Select it here. Or you can use this too to select the interval between calls. Okay? Once you are done, click on start and this will start immediately. So guys, go ahead, prank your friends, and please don't misuse the app. Let me know how it goes in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Please share and give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, consider doing that. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.